take you somewhere that you may not even believe is here. Just keep me near, so if ever you feel you are alone, I'll meet you there. We can call this our home, away from home. Inside our zone, it's only me, you, the spirit, entwined, indifference, denied, the difference. You listen, unlike those other women, you get it. I'm tripping, because you really get it. Speaking as if it's only me and you in this existence. Literally hope these lyrics reaching you. I know they speak to you, I see it. Pretend you don't believe it. The pretense and sequence, I'm drinking each weekend, don't need it. But those sorrows get to setting in. So to the bar we bout to go. Maybe if I borrow some of these spirits I can cope. Enough liquor swallowed and then my heart'll start to float. So I'm diving head first ahead for an exit to my stressed and restless nights. All the messages perplexing, all my thoughts begin to fester. And my lost I start to question myself. I think I need some help to find myself, so I don't get beside myself, or else I end up by myself. Well, and so we meet again. Thought you was needing him. The difference is that you really listened. Yeah, we had an ending, but had no beginning. I told ya, I want ya, but you're through, it's over. We lost everything to others in settings. I told ya, I want ya, but you're through, we're over. We are just beginning, and we don't wanna speak in no ending. I told ya, I want ya, but I want you to look closer. We have everything, so let's make the most of everything. I got ya, I told ya, no discussion, it's over. Part-time, close your eyes, it's quiet time. Don't ever think you'll be fine, babe. Was designed like this, supposed to shine this way. Get lost right now, so you find your way. When you find your way, baby, both get some. I'm trying to do more, I'm trying to inspire, that's why I rhyme this way. Word, see a beautiful and every day I'm near, so full of stories. I see some passion here, I'm like, who's the rapper here? You say you're an artist and poet, well that explains the emotion. I think this deserves a moment. Little champagne, you always make that face. Favorite song come on like, hey. Don't sip too fast, you might lose some weight and lose all the memories. You know, forget the past, still got today. Can't go astray, or the day is forsaken. Before the day is taken, I like to confide inside. My desires complacent, my desires to get you out them pants ain't plans, let's face it. It's more like fire in both eyes, enticing is icing. Ain't talking silence, I'm talking siren, it's Miley Cyrus. Obeying our flesh when any other time we're defiant. Usually spiritual, yeah, any other time we're divine. We still divine though, been saying I'm gon' change the game, I'm still behind though. I love it when you motivate me, you're good entirely. It's not a sign if I'm not inquiring. The fruit from Zion takes a line and sign line.